Hello, my name is Ha. I'm a client advocate here at HSDC, the Hearing, Speech, and Deaf Center. Welcome to this vlog, Basic Tax Return 101. First, let's talk about how to set up a tax return account online. You must have an email account. You may also need a mobile phone number for the verification code. You will also need to create a new account with a username and password. Now let's talk tax forms and documents that you will need to bring with you. You will need the tax package from last year. You will need any information from other income, such as Social Security benefits, employment benefits. You will need information from any deductions or credits. You will need to bring all your forms with you, like W-2s, 1099s, those kind of forms you'll have to bring. Also, health insurance forms, such as the 1095 form. You will also need a copy of last year's tax return. You will need your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number. This will be for every person who is claimed on your tax return. You will also need the birth dates for everyone who is being claimed on your tax return. For child care providers, you will need their name, address, and tax ID number. For direct deposit or withdrawals, you will need to bring a blank check, or you can bring a formal letter from the bank that includes the routing number and account number. The IRS does have an online site you can go to. Now let's talk about free tax online resources. One is called Credit Karma Tax. Another one is TurboTax. And also there is the IRS online. Now let's talk tips. You can create 2 different tax accounts online. That will allow you to compare and make sure that you have the right amount of money and that you avoid any errors before sending to the IRS. You can also write down the information such as PIN numbers, usernames, and passwords so that you can use them in the future. You also can print out your tax return form and save it in your file. If you need help, you can contact a tax professional in your area. There may be fees involved. You can also check the IRS website and find a free tax professional. And you can also contact HSDC, the Hearing, Speech, and Deaf Center, for help with filling out your taxes. Thank you very much for watching. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions or leave a comment here.